Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy Toncoin on Telegram wallet P2P market. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, as you can see, there's no option to buy Toncoin here on P2P market, so you just need to go ahead and scroll up, and on the wallet you want to click a P2P market right there and click option buy if you want to buy Toncoin. After that, you're going to choose your currency, which you will be using for buying this, and you will also choose a cryptocurrency Ton. After that, just wait a little bit until it loads up. And now you will have all of these options to buy Ton. As you can see, the payment methods are Revolut, SEPA Instant Transfer, Paysera, Payer, SEPA, some SEPA transfers and Revoluts mostly. Also, make sure to look for the verified users. It would be way better. But yeah, that's how you can go ahead and buy. Just go ahead, click buy option, and that's basically it, guys. That's how you buy a ton on P2P market. Also, if you can, just choose the verified users, just like so. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.